Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Miss Erin Yvette, and today I am back with another Aliexpress haul for you guys. If you guys see a little steam or humidity coming from down here, I have my humidifier filling up my little studio space. It's just so relaxing to me. So for the past couple of months, I've been shopping on Aliexpress. If you are new to my channel, I love shopping on Aliexpress. I have an entire playlist for you guys to check out if you're interested, full of goodies, sis. But today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite new pickups for the end of the summer season. I have already been shopping for the autumn/fall season, so let me know exactly what you guys would like to see in the up and coming Aliexpress videos. I know I've been slacking a little bit with coronavirus. It's really been knocking off my Aliexpress game, but I'm excited to be back and purchasing on the site. Also thinking about starting like a boss babe business type series where I show you guys different vendors on like how to start your own business. Over the past maybe 5 years, I've started so many businesses, helped some of my friends start their own as well, and I'm starting to see now that people are literally charging hundreds of dollars to get vendors on Aliexpress, and it's honestly just for the convenience. Everything is for you online for free already. So I figured, why not just make a video? Of course, it would be free. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments below. Because, girl, I got vendors on everything, okay? For real. Like, everything. But without further ado, if you have not already tapped that subscribe button, please tap the subscribe button and join the fam. Your girl's on the road to 50K. And let's just hop right into this video. So, y'all, the first thing that I want to show y'all is some shoes. Like, honestly, I love shopping for shoes on Aliexpress. It's always a hit or miss for me, but for the most part, I do get hits. I still have shoes that I purchased years ago that I still wear, and I'm thinking about doing a throwback video for real, just trying on stuff that I bought like maybe 6-7 years ago, because I still be wearing some of that stuff. But these shoes are definitely like an item that I can tell. I literally had to catch my breath just then. Yes, these shoes I can tell are going to be in my collection for a while, y'all. They are just gorge. Now, I'll go ahead and give a disclaimer. I got the size 38. These are a little teeny bit big for me. I wear a typical US size 7 in women, and these are supposed to be closest to my size. Again, I got a size 38. I'm guessing European size shoe, and they're a little bit big. So they are just this faux crocodile print. They have the wraparound detailing, and I really just love that the front has this like peak toe. I don't know, I have a big toe. Can we just get that out of the way? Look on my toes. I've been seeing this wide foot trend like so much in the 2020 season, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, okay, when I see shoes that have the wide foot, more than likely I don't like them. But for some reason, once I tried these shoes on my feet, I really did like them. But the main reason why I got these shoes is going to be for the heel right here. I love that it's so different and it has like a wide kind of bottom. I didn't think it was going to be much of a difference in terms of like the fit, but sis, this heel is super comfortable. I know it doesn't look like it. I really love that it gives you that height, but also the comfort with it that a regular stiletto would not give us, sis. So I really just wanted to include that. The shoe does have visible, and you can feel the padding, and it's just a very comfortable shoe. Again, the only downfall is it's slightly a little too small, so I'd probably size down if I could. And I think the worst thing about Aliexpress shoes is that they don't really offer a lot of half sizes. But yeah, if I could repurchase these, I would definitely get them in a size down probably, because it's just so much space for your toes and your ankles and everything. Yeah, just a little bit too big for me. And then the last pair of shoes that I only got 2 because I wasn't really sure. But now that I know that I love this vendor, I'm definitely going to be purchasing more shoes from them. And then I was like, dang, I don't really have a lot of like nude, neutral shoes. So I really love that these are like a patent leather, but they're nude, right? And they also have that transparent, iridescent, ain't no iridescence in this, transparent shoes. I just love the two trends meshing together. It has that similar heel as the other one, but the bottom is a little bit wider. So I haven't actually worn these or tried these on, but I think these are just so cute. Now, they do have like the strap up effect here that kind of wraps around your ankle. However, these shoes in the construction have just a teeny weeny bit more like security around the heel, as far as the strap that covers around your heel and ankle, and then this foot strap right here across your whole foot. So it is a little bit more protection here, and you're also strapping it up. But I do believe I I do believe that those are my favorite. They have that same wide trend, so I'm hoping these look cute on my feet. I'm hoping. But I'm pretty sure they will because I really do like these shoes. The only thing I'm really not excited about is that the strap-ups are in a patent leather material as well. So I can just tell these will either hurt really bad if you tie them up too tight. And then, I don't know, when I was in my clubbing times, going out to parties and stuff like that for a long period of time with something strapped around my ankle, cutting off my circulation, that wasn't really my best friend. So I probably wouldn't wear these on a night out, but I would wear these to dinner, to brunch, on a date, things like that, because I just personally don't prefer the strap-ups for a very long time. So next I have some clothing pieces to show you guys. You guys have been on my Instagram like, Erin, where did you get this? I'm gonna be waiting for your video. I need the link. Like, first piece, I actually found this dress from the last haul. I felt so bad that I didn't show you guys the way that it looked in person, so I made sure to find that dress so I can show you guys in this video. But if you missed out, definitely check out my last Aliexpress video for some more amazing pieces that I got. This is a dress right here. It's just polka dotted. How cute is this? It gives me summertime Southern Belle vibes. Even though this is a summer dress, I can't wait to bring this out again in the spring season. Like, it's just so gorgeous. I feel like it's the perfect length. It has like the ruffle cups in the front, which is great for me, small boob girls. And I feel like even girls with a little bit of oomph can wear this as well. But the best part is that the ruffle allows you to not have to wear a bra. And I feel like this dress would look better without one anywhere. But the straps were customizable. You're able to tie them up to fit your body. I really, really like that, because sometimes straps, like I don't like the straps on this shirt. So you can see how I feel about it. I also love that the button-ups in the front are faux, so you actually zip it up in the back, because I hate, it should not take me 10 minutes to get into my outfit. I should not have to ask for help to get into my outfit. So I really love that this is a super easy, flowy, throw on summer dress, nice and breathable material, and super affordable. I feel like this is something I would see at like Pretty Little Thing or something like that, in one of those high-end boutiques, and I would definitely purchase this every time because it's so freaking cute. So if you saw this in the last video and you were debating it, I'm still in love with this dress. If you didn't see it, definitely click it in the links below. I'm gonna leave all the links to all these pieces. The next piece that I got is actually a romper. Now, I haven't tried this on yet. The only downfall of this is that the crotch part is going to be too long, because the bodysuit does look a little long. And honestly, I have really long legs and a small torso. I'm accepting this because this is something that my friends just pointed out. Like, I didn't notice it. It's like, you have really long legs. But I'm like, but I'm so short. But I'm just nothing but legs and little torso. Actually 5'2", if you guys have been following me. I only say that because people that don't know me in person, they always think that I'm tall on like social media or like Instagram. It's just legs. All right, so this is the jumpsuit. Again, it looks really, really long, so I'm hoping that the crotch part is okay. The torso looks long, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. So I hope it doesn't look weird on my body. But the bottom is super cute, and it just says F off on the bottom. Look at that. So cute and so me. This is just the perfect thing to throw on when you don't really want to wear any clothes or outfit, but you have things to do outside the house. You can take that comfort with you out the house. I'm not crazy about the color. I really don't have a lot of orange in my house, but I do feel like this screams summer, you know, orange, and I definitely would wear this in the autumn season as well, just because orange, like I said, is very festive, and I live in Florida, so we can say fuck off year round in shorts. That's just how we do. All right, so this next piece I'm actually going to have to insert a video right here. You guys have seen on my Instagram if you're following me at Miss Erin Yvette. If you haven't seen it, sis, stop what you're doing, pause this video, add me right now, especially because I'm going to be doing some giveaways in the next few weeks for your girl birthday coming up, and you don't want to miss it out. So add me on Instagram right now. So this three-piece is, like I mentioned to y'all multiple times on Instagram, it's from Aliexpress, and I'm obsessed with this vendor. I don't know how to show y'all though, because, okay. So the only downfall I have about this bathing suit is that it doesn't have that, I don't even know, that bathing suit flare, okay? So the top is more of like giving me crop top more than it's giving me like swim sucking up. Like, this is giving me bondage, tighten me up, I don't need a bra, you know, crop top. This bathing suit top is so loose that my nipples were all over the place. Like, I don't have a lot of breastises, but I feel like if I did, the situation would have been kind of worse because it's just no form fitting, no nothing here. But I was able to get away with it again because I have a small chest. I love that there's this tassel like detail on the shoulder, so you can kind of customize the strap and the look depending on how you want it. The front is also super cute. It has this gold, I mean not gold, even silver, I don't know what this is, but this detail in the middle which brings the two together. And again, I got mine in a size small, but it's not a small, sis, it's not. The bottom is just like a basic black bottom, nothing too special about that. I love that I was able to tie it to fit my body type. So these fit perfect, but the top did not fit that well. And then it also came with a mesh skirt, so I just wore the mesh skirt and it has a peep opening side. It doesn't close all the way, and you just wrap it around you and tie it. And I just love the way that it looked on my body. I also wore it with a really big fluffy hat that I got from Target. Y'all, it was so cute. Alright y'all, and for the last piece in this haul, I have a two-piece set. So this is actually a summertime two-piece, and I believe this has been in my collection for a little while, and I have not worn it, I want to say, in about 3 years. So I'm really excited to bring this out for the end of the summer season. We're actually taking my mom on a trip for her birthday, and by the time you guys see this video, we probably already went. So definitely check out my Instagram to see how I'm styling this for the second time. But it is just this yellow two-piece set. The reason why I'm showing this in this video is because this material is so bomb and stretchy and form-fitting, and my behind looks so good. Like, this is one of those pieces that I purchased, like I said, 3-4 years ago when I was in college, and it is still an amazing piece in my collection. So definitely check out this vendor. If the link is still available, I'll be sure to leave it, but I did get this in a size small. The pants are really long, they are really stretchy, like I said. I love this pastel yellow. It just looks so good on my skin and just so different. Like, I don't have any colors like this in my closet, and I don't know how I'm gonna wear this. I might frame this first. It's giving me vacation vibes, right? What do you think? So to finish off this outfit, it does come with a top. It's a crop like jacket in the same material, and I believe that the arms are a little bit flared, but I just love this stretchy ass material. It feels so good. If all my outfits could be in this material, I would never take this off. I want to sleep in this. Like, it is so comfy, and I don't like to wear a bra with this top. You guys will see when I try it on. It just makes me feel like a baddie in this outfit, so I can't wait to definitely take this on the trip. And I'm glad that I found this. Super cute. Hell, I need to go and see if they got more so I can wear them different colors right now. If they had that in gray, and like, oh, I need a black one, Y'all always trying to make somebody shop for real. I ain't got time for y'all, okay? Well guys, thanks so much for stopping by and joining me in my closet. I hope you guys enjoyed the pieces that I had to show you today from Aliexpress. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.